I want to be a pediatrician.
I want to be a scientist.
I'm going to study tigers. I want to be an astronaut.
I want to be an archaeologist.
And explore the whole world.
That's like Indiana Jones. I love dinosaurs.
This is me floating in space.
I was thinking if I could be a surgeon and a judge.
Look, I'm just curious about everything.
If I have my way, no one ever will be sick.
The children of America start out with a sense of wonder about the world. But over time, the country fails to support the math and science learning that they need to realize their dreams.
There have been consistent NCES studies over the years that show in 4th grade kids like science. 68% of the boys and 66% of the girls will self-report that they like science. The longer our kids stay in school, the less they like science and math. What's wrong with this picture?
There is a growing crisis in math and science education in this country, and time is running out.
America faces many challenges and indeed has many enemies. But the enemy I fear most is complacency. We are about to be hit by the full force of global competition. If we continue to ignore the obvious task at hand while others beat us at our own game, our children and grandchildren will pay the price. Gathering Storm has elevated awareness of our challenge, but we must now establish a sense of urgency. Urgency because time has run out.
While our competitors surge ahead, the U.S. math curriculum is 2 years behind the rest of the world. In recent international rankings, U.S. students finished 19th in math and 14th in science, behind China, South Korea, Japan, Canada, and most of Western Europe. The U.S. is even behind newly emerging Eastern European countries like Estonia and Slovenia, and tiny Liechtenstein. Only 5% of U.S. undergraduates actually earn a degree in science or engineering, while 42% of undergraduates earn science or engineering degrees in China. Our children are growing up in an America where scientific knowledge, engineering know-how, and mathematical skill may soon be classified as foreign imports. What will life be like for our children then?
It's very likely that America's children of tomorrow will enjoy a lower quality of life and standard of living than did their parents.
But fortunately, there is something you can do about it right now. The National Math and Science Initiative was created in 2007 to implement proven programs in math and science teaching and learning across the country. Through the generosity of funders such as the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the Michael and Susan Dalla Foundation, ExxonMobil, and others, the NIMSY initiative is implementing 2 programs with 10 years of data proving they work. A training and incentive program for advanced placement courses, and a You Teach program for recruiting, preparing, and retaining top math, science, and computer science teachers. Our goal? To create 10,000 new math and science teachers in the next 10 years, to have 700,000 more students take advanced science and math classes, and to create the thousands of new engineers, computer programmers, physicists, and chemists that our country desperately needs. In its first year, NIMSY grants have increased AP enrollment in selected schools by 70%. Bringing more rigorous math and science classes to 13,000 more students. At the same time, thanks to NIMSY grants to 13 universities, more than 1,000 students are now enrolled in You Teach programs across the country.
Given the magnitude of the problems and competition that we face in this country, we've got to have programs that make a national impact. We made enormous strides in a year. We're now in 14 states, but it's our goal to get to 50 states. And to do that, we have to have more people join with us in the crusade. The next generation, they're very interested in the problems of tomorrow. And you look at the problems of tomorrow, whether it be energy, global climate, cancer, agriculture, food production, water, All of those problems are going to be solved by technology.
But all that will require math and science skills, which are in short supply here. While the rest of the world makes math, science, and engineering a priority, time is running out for our children and their dreams of a better life. We still have the chance to create a different, improved future for them, but only if we act now.